Hey guys, just doing a quick video on something that I really enjoy, and you probably will too if you try this. And these are called Brussels sprouts, and they're like little baby cabbages. And I take them, actually I buy them frozen like this, and I season them. I'm actually going to put a little bit more garlic in. My roasted garlic. Okay. A little more salt, pepper. Okay. I use some olive oil, and I basically sear them a little bit. See the color on them? Beautiful, huh? And boy, are they delicious. These are sauteed, roasted. You can do these in the oven too. I do them in the pan. Simple. Season them. Look at that. Beautiful, and they taste delicious, and they're good for you. Alright guys, anyhow, these are Brussels sprouts. They're in the little baby cabbages, and I sauteed them with some olive oil, some garlic, salt, pepper, and boy, do you have a beautiful vegetable. And take this. You have to let them cool a little bit, but beautiful color, you know. Tasty as could be. All right, guys, enjoy your Brussels sprouts. All right, cool. Hope this helped you on a vegetable decision. Delicious. Thank you.